Great hotel in a good location. Staff were friendly and the facilities were fantastic. We will definitely stay here again. Stay at Marriott Hotel. Thanks Agoda for helping me find best deal for Marriott Hotel. I really enjoyed sauna, steam, and jacuzzi. Staff are very professional and friendly. I'm very impressed by the cleanliness and quality of the rooms. I will definitely use Marriott Hotels and recommend to people who are interested. Exceptional, friendly, warm welcome food, outstanding room, spot on. Lovely upgraded room. Good rate for a one-night stay. Would stay here again. Exceptional, good location and with very accommodating staff. Excellent. The best is there is a parking on premises, which is rare for the hotel near York Center area. 3-day stay at Marriott Hotel. We enjoyed our stay, but the bed was rather hard and the bar menu was a bit nouveau cuisine. We would have preferred a more traditional menu in the bar. Excellent stay. Staff very professional. Agoda made a mistake in our booking but staff resolved quickly.